In this class, we are going to learn one more feature in SQL Workshop, that is the SQL Developer Web. Suppose if you are comfortable working in SQL Developer on your computer, you might be needing a similar tool in order to talk to your Oracle database schema or the objects. So for that purpose, Oracle has released this SQL Developer Web, that is SQL Developer, which will run on the browser. If not everything, almost all features are available right now at the time of recording this class in SQL Developer Web. So we can go to SQL Developer Web by navigating from the navigation toolbar at the top. Over here, go to SQL Workshop, select this SQL Developer Web. So this is going to open a new tab on your browser. Suppose if you are navigating to the SQL Developer Web for the first time, you have to enable the ORDS, which we had done initially in the course. Now we will close the welcome note. From the left side, you will get the navigator and the files. So in the navigator, we can select the schema on which you want to work. Currently, I'm having only one schema in my database. Coming to the database object, we can select all objects and it will list everything like the tables, procedures, packages. Suppose if you want to drill down to a specific thing like the functions, you can select the function. It will list all the functions available on your schema. Suppose if you want to know only the table, triggers, so on and so forth, it will list everything over here. You might wonder that REST data services is not available over here. So for that purpose, you can just go over to the SQL Workshop and click on the RESTful services. So it will launch the RESTful services over here. You can create the modules, that is by clicking on this and click on create module. So everything we have explained in detail how to work with the ORDS in our specific course, that is Basics of Oracle REST Data Services. You can have a look at that and learn in detail how to work with the ORDS REST APIs. Suppose you might wonder that in my SQL Developer, which I am installing on my computer, there I am having a feature to work with REST data services right within this. So if you want to work similarly over here as well, then option is you can click on the selector over here and click on the REST. So this is going to open up the REST data services or the ORDS for your schema for which you have enabled the REST data services for your Oracle Apex schema. In my case, it is Learning Apex 1001. Here you can create the module, roles, privileges, client credentials, so on and so forth. Everything you can work over here. So using this REST and the SQL Developer Web, you can work as though you are working with the SQL Developer installed on your computer. Suppose if you want to change the schema, you can change over here by clicking on the schema on the left top corner.